differentiate y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x from first principles. Now, we know the answer would be, if we're doing the 3 down, we're going to get 6x squared minus 3, but we now have to do it from first principles. So, if we got y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x, and if y is equal to f of x, then dy by dx is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is called differentiating from first principles. So if we let f of x be 2x cubed minus 3x, we now substitute it into here. We're going to get dy by dx is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h. So that means everywhere that there's an x in here, we now place it with x plus h. So we get 2x plus h all cubed minus 3 times x plus h. And then we have to take away f of x. So make sure we put it in brackets, minus 2x cubed minus 3x over h. Right, if we now expand this, we're going to get 2x cubed. So you need to either expand this using the binomial theorem or your knowledge of expanding cubics. Next term is 3x squared h. The following term is 3xh squared. And the final term will be h cubed. Expanding this bracket, we're going to get minus 3x minus 3h. And expanding here, we're going to get minus 2x cubed plus 3x, because a minus times a minus. So you have to be careful with your signs when doing this. Or divided by h. So now we need to expand this bracket here. So you're going to get limit as 2x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 6xh squared plus 2h cubed minus 3x minus 3h minus 2x cubed plus 3x all over h. So this minus 2x cubed will cancel with this one here, and this minus 3x will cancel with this 3x here. So we're now going to be left with, taking out, there's an h as a common factor, so going to h 6x squared plus 6h plus 2h squared minus 3, all divided by h. Now, because h is extremely small but not equal to 0, we can cancel the h's, which we'll do next. So cancelling this h with this h here. And we're going to get the limit as h goes to 0 of 6x squared plus 6xh plus 2h squared minus 3. Now what we say is h is extremely small, that if you multiply 6x by h, it's going to be like 0. And if you do 2 times something really small squared, you're going to get something even smaller. So we're just going to ignore these terms and say that the answer is 6x squared minus 3, which is what we expected, because when we do y is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x and we differentiate it using the power rule, we get dy by dx is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6x squared minus 3. So the final answer by differentiating by first principles is 6x squared minus 3 as expected. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate a cubic using differentiation by first principles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.